We're here at Land Rover Naperville going over some of the cool features in the new 2026 Range Rover full sizes. You have your weight sensing. It'll basically let you go close to 3 feet of water. Anything more than that I wouldn't recommend. We have Alexa integrated into the new cars. With Alexa, you can ask to play music, get directions, place calls, control smart home devices, and more just by asking. Other cool features in the car are your TR modes. You have auto, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, rock crawl, wade, configurable. It does let you access those airbags and go off-roading, raise the height of the car to off-road, normal access. And then you do have a 360 camera, shows you all around the car, every angle. You can also see underneath, right there. You have your wide angle, front plate, wide back angle, and then back plate as well. And then over here, you have a nice little camera that shows you your wheels, just in case you're pulling into a tight spot, anything like that. It'll show you where those wheels are going. It does show you vehicle dimensions, shows you how tall the car is, anything you may need if you're pulling into a parking garage, tight spot, anything like that. You do have park assist as well. If you need to park your car, it'll search for spots. It'll let you, once it sees a spot, it'll let you back in or pull in autonomously, and then it'll also let you leave the parking spot as well. Over here you have your heated seats. You have heated and cooled seats, both passenger and driver, and then you do have massage seats as well. Lets you choose where the massage direction is, massage type, and intensity for passenger and driver. You can also fold down the back seats from the screen up here. You also have cabin lighting built into the car. You can choose between the already set features, the already set colors: red, orange, blue, violet, green, and then you can also create your own color. Come shop with us at Land Rover of Naperville.